God, that went right over my head.
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Beltrami County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pennington, or 19 miles east of Bemidji, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pennington around 7:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.